Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life. It's Betsy at Museful Creations. Today's project came together a little differently than expected, and honestly, that's truly part of the joy. I'm calling it the mini folder hack, a folded piece with shimmer, stitching, and a few quiet surprises built in. And yes, that shimmer, it's beet juice, walnut crystals, and perfect pearls. Don't toss those veggie scraps just yet. Next, you're going to cut your manila folder 6.5 inches by 11 inches, and then you'll score at 3 3/4 of an inch, and next at 7.5 inches. Then you'll need to score these lines because it will be super important next. Next, I'm showing you how I'm folding the front of the mini folder hack and using a punch of choice to make a notch. Then I will crease that fold again. Then I will turn towards the back and fold another flap, which I'm considering this the back part of my mini folder hack. And again, important that you score that crease. Next, continuing with the structure build walkthrough, we're going to create a tab, and I'm using my envelope puncher and showing you that I'm scoring at 2 1/4 inch to create that tab. And then I'm going to cut a straight line after the tab, but not beyond that first part of the front flap so that I have a perfect tab. Now here I am using beet juice, gold, perfect pearls, and a tiny bit of walnut crystals. And I decided, again, this is just how I kind of create. I go with the flow. I wanted to distress and give the entire mini folder hack, if you will, a different effect. So I'm just spritzing the front, the back, the inside, the back side, and just going with the flow. And I felt that it was important to share this with you because this is how it goes. This part means a lot to me. I pulled out a couple of stencils. One of them is from Tim Holtz. The other is from Heidi Swap. It's a butterfly mask from 2007. Yep. And paired it with texture paste, ink, some embossing powder, and it reminded me why I hold on to things. Not to hoard, but to rediscover them when the moment is right. Now let's talk about sewing on projects. I don't normally do that, but this folder practically lays flat and invites you to add stitching. If you've ever wanted to try sewing on a folder, this layout is a perfect place to start. And next is a SlotClip Foldie made from a template that will be available to museful makers. It clicks right into the system like it was made for it. I'll show you how that works in the next video, so be sure to subscribe if you want to catch that moment.